Imagine waking up every morning to the gentle sound of waves crashing against the shore, sunlight streaming through expansive windows, and the scent of salt in the air. This spacious home in the serene cul-de-sac of Dvorskursbos is more than just a residence, it's a sanctuary. With 2 open-plan living areas, every corner invites connection, laughter, and shared meals. The 4 bedrooms, each with ensuite bathrooms, offer privacy and comfort for family and guests alike. Picture yourself enjoying a coffee on the upstairs lounging deck, the sea glistening in the distance, the mountains standing tall. The sustainable features, solar power, water tanks, whisper of a future that's both eco-conscious and cost-effective. And for those seeking extra income or family closeness, the option to create a 2-bedroom flat is a dream come true. This isn't just a house, it's a lifestyle, a canvas for memories waiting to be painted against breathtaking sunsets.